in the next round. With how you guys played tonight, what can you say about your chances in the
First of all, no, I just want to greet all the moms, no, lahat ng mga mommy, single moms, single dad, no, happy Mother's Day sa inyo lahat. Well, this is a good, actually this is, the past 3 games, actually we've been really on a playoff mentality already. No? I challenge the players, I challenge my team that this kind of games, ito yung magbibigay sa amin ng chance going into the next level, no? Not necessarily, going to the semis or, moving forward. We have a goal as a team, no? So I think we are in the right track going into that goal, no? Na gusto namin, whether this conference or next conference, no? We never know. But what I really like about my team right now is how they responded to that challenge. No? They really responded really well, not only in the games, in all our games, but in practice. No, they're really locked in. They're buying into the system na gusto kong iparating sa team. No? So, yun naman yung maganda sa team na to. And this is a good win for us, no? Going into this playoff game. No? Especially, yun nga, we need confidence. Kung meron ko man mga kalaban namin, we need this kind of confidence na, we can match up with this team.
Now let's open the floor to questions from the media.
Kasi last game, ako sa may paksak mo eh. Pero...
Okay, last game.
Paano na nakabawi from that to this game?
Pahinga lang siguro. Laking bagay sa akin after last game, meron kaming couple of days going into this game. So, tinake advantage ko lang. Force ka rin to watch LA. Lagi niya kami nire-remind na kapag wala namang kailangan gawin, magpahinga na lang kami sa bahay. So, yun lang ginawa ko.
Good evening. 3 statements for you guys tonight. Bago na nagustuhan yung for not just of the team, but for ikaw na rin personally.
Sa team naman, tinakbo lang namin yung dapat namin takbuhin, yung system coach. Basta ready ka lang dapat sa mangyayari din sa flow namin kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan ka wide open kasi read and tracking ginagawa namin. So, sino yung best available na player, yun talaga yung dapat mamira. So, I think yun lang yung nangyari kanina, nagkaroon lang ng mistakes yung Meralco, kaya ako na-open. So, yun, luckily na-shoot ko yung mga tira ngayon.
May chance din kasi na hindi na rin. So, ano lang din yung thoughts ng positive?
Honestly, no, hindi ko pa rin talaga as of now. Alam mo, kahit sino talaga makalaban mo sa taas I mean, they're in top 4 for a reason. So, basta maging ready lang kami. Tulad yan ang sinabi ni Paul, we'll be ready kung sino man makalaban namin. No, if it is Meralco, then we have to beat them 3 times. No? Basically, nakaisa na kami, so kailangan pa namin talunong dalawa. If it is Ginebra, then we have to beat Ginebra 2 times. Alam naman natin, I came from Ginebra. I mean, mahirap kalaban. Mahirap kalaban na Ginebra pag sa gano'n. But we'll be ready, definitely. The way we're playing right now, I think, not I think, but I am really confident now with my players and my team, how they really play right now, and sa kanilang yung sa kumpiyansa nila, and the way they play, they have that, again, they have that sense of urgency, that this is already playoffs, and I'm really, actually honestly, I'm really excited for this coming playoffs. Tingnan namin kung nasaan na talaga yung team namin, so, but we'll be ready definitely kung ano makakalaban namin.
Kasi mas conference na sa kami sitwasyon din kayo na kayo yung kailangan na natin. So, meron ako na experience na pwede mo yung magamit for whoever you are facing.
Well, definitely, no? A lot of learnings from that, and I think napaganda ka, well, hindi naman maganda, no? But I think that fail, yung failure namin last conference, I think we learned a lot from that one. And again, it's a completely different situation right now, you know? There's a lot of changes also, plus our import, nakaka-blend talaga sa amin yung import namin. The players loves playing alongside with our import, and the same way the import loves playing with our locals, no? So, I think yun yung definitely maraming learnings, no? Me also as a rookie coach, no? Maraming learnings din from the last conference. And definitely the players also.